absolutely love him.
Trouble's watching TV. She watching doggies.
At a local
Look at
adoption
her.
event, Paps
She's watching
stole
doggies.
Miles's heart.
I got
You
him
see
when
the
he was around
doggy?
6 months old, was pretty much love at first
Yeah,
sight.
you're like, ooh. You see?
Even
Look
though
at the
Paps is in
doggy.
perfect
You see the
health,
doggy?
with such a large underbite,
Do you
Miles
see
did
the
have
dog?
some
You can't get
concerns.
with
He
her.
seemed to
Oh,
have a difficult problem
Leo.
chewing his hard food, so I had started giving him just wet food. He's learned to use his
You
underbite
see
more
it?
as a scoop.
You see that doggy? Look it.
Once settled
see the
into his
doggy?
new home,
Look
it
at
was
him.
time
Look.
for Paps to meet his family. At first glance, Paps had a face
see
even
him?
Miles's mother couldn't love.
Trouble going
My
crazy.
first
She like to see the
reaction
doggies.
was that he was
Look at Trouble.
quite scary.
The first time I ever met Paps, I was really intimidated. He has this big underbite that's kind of scary looking, but he came right up to me.